polka dot flying V, electric guitar. The Musonian master, he's gonna captivate the world. Fiery fingers flying across the fretboard, man, what a sound. The drunk prettiness succubus wife says, hey, won't you come play for us? And I rode the crazy train. I don't know why, but it felt like Mr. Crowley called my name. What he did with me, a son's love for his mother expressed so beautifully. A perfect mixture of heart and soul and flesh and bone. He brings heaven down here on earth through sound and tone. Such a gift in the hands of a misfit, gonna dabble in some devilry. Castle walls within dark halls, we will watch this small man swing. Started leather and a higher heel, golden locks, hurricane to the sound. Chilling bone as his Concord screams. We couldn't keep our feet on the ground because he had us flying high again. Over the mountains, across the ocean, he made a believer out of me. When he forged that madman's diary, tonight you broke the rule, you've been a fool. You shall speak of no devil or become his tool. You've had your fun, I'll give you infamy. Now you'll come and play for me. The kind of wars that we wage inside determines how much favor we gain in life. Now those who are meant to fly, sometimes it takes forever, sometimes it's early in life. The world is not ready for this. Think I'm going to be selfish. This child has won his wings. Every